Okay, today's video is going to be on weatherproofing it a little bit better, putting in the stove and chimney. And we're burning it off right now, so the galvanization will be gone. And I'll show you how this door works. This is your sneak peek. There's the stove, cooking away. Got me a pot of water on there for coffee. There's the door. I told you it was going to be cheap. Well, as you can see, the plastic wrap has the saggies and the top doesn't cover it 100%, so we're going to adjust what we're doing here and go for the next layer. This plastic. Alright then, there's the door right here. I just came out, so I haven't flopped that back over. But as you can see, the cover does cover it up pretty good now. Obviously I got some tying down to do. I still have light coming in. And on the back side here, right there, that's where my chimney jack is going to be. So that's next. Well, I brought out my tin stove, the one that Bonnie showed how to build. I did some upgrades like the door and the legs. Then for a chimney jack, I found this at Goodwill several years ago. Just hadn't used it yet, so I'll get that up in the top there. We've got more pipe to put on. We'll see how this thing all comes together. I do have a roll of tin from another project. That'll make a nice support. On top of that, on the inside, I can put the smoke jack to. Keep everything nice and cool. So we'll put that right in the center, mark it out, cut it out, be right back. go, I found a Christmas tin and I quickly cut that out. I'll find the lid and I'll have me a chimney jack. And that will tie in with this. I'll screw it all together so it doesn't slip, and I'll put that in place. Well, I found the lid for the can, so I'm going to mark around it. Light it up. Get that stove working. Well, it's burning clean. I see the heat coming off, a little bit of smoke. We got some kind of a cobgobulation going on there, but should shed the water. Well, as you can see from outside, the stove is burning off any galvanization it's got on it. And up the chimney I do have it held with a strap. I screwed it around the little poles and then back to the metal again. I got that piece cut off. And my chimney jack is working. I do have a little bit of more work to do up there so it's sealed in. But all in all, I think it's going to work just fine. So, cooking away. Got me a pot of water on there for coffee. And that stove is rocking. It's hot in there. But it's burning the galvanization off, so I'm not going in that air. Around the bottom you see it is wide open for air. And up above there any gases can still get out. Leave it alone. Let it burn down. I mean burn out.